Hey y'all, it's Crystal with MrsHappyHomemaker.com, and I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite frostings today, Marshmallow Buttercream. It only has 4 ingredients, so you know that it's super simple, and it goes with so many kinds of cakes. I've actually made a strawberry cake that I'm going to put the Marshmallow Buttercream on today, but a lot of the times I make chocolate cake and I put the Marshmallow Buttercream on top, and then you can like sprinkle crushed graham crackers on top. It is super delicious. So let me go throw my cake down. I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious frosting. So I have 2 sticks of butter in my bowl. It is room temperature and it is salted butter. So I'm just gonna beat it up until it becomes creamy. All right, now to this, I'm gonna add 7 ounces of marshmallow cream. You know, marshmallow cream is really good on peanut butter and jelly sandwiches too. Like you grill them with some peanut butter, some jelly, and some marshmallow cream, butter on each side like a grilled cheese. Oh, it's so good. And it's even good if you don't even use the jelly, if you just use the peanut butter. I'm trying so hard to get every single bit of it out of here. It's so sticky, so it makes it hard. So I'm scraping the container, then scraping the spatula, trying my darndest, y'all. So I'm gonna beat this now and beat it for about 2 minutes. Okay, so now this, I'm going to add 2 cups of confectioner sugar. And I'm gonna beat it again for another 2 minutes. Starting off slow so I don't splatter myself with the confectioner sugar. And now I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is actually my vanilla extract. You can tell I've been using this a while. I dribble a little bit. But I make my own vanilla extract. It's for sale in my online store. I only make it a couple times a year, so I think I only have like 10 bottles left. So if you want some, go grab it. If not, whatever. But 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And actually, I can use a little bit less than a teaspoon because my vanilla extract is double strength. So you only need half as much as what your recipe calls for. Unless you really like vanilla, then you can just add it all and just have like really vanilla-y stuff. So I'm gonna beat this up until it's all combined. And it's done. How simple was that? Hey, Ethan! You want the whisk? Come get it. And then you give the whisk to the kids that might want a whisk to lick the frosting off of, right? Well, you better hurry, come and get it before I eat it. You ain't coming fast enough. Uh-oh, I'm about to start eating it.
Sorry, I lost my balance falling off.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And then you can see what you have is this super creamy, beautiful, decadent frosting. I used a lot of additives there, didn't I? That's all right. It's really good. I'm gonna spread it on my cake here.
That looks so good.
Thank you. All right, so here's the marshmallow buttercream on top of my cake. This recipe, again, is 4 ingredients. Super simple, super delicious. Head over to MrsHappyHomemaker.com for a full printable or screenshotable recipe. You can follow me on Instagram, Mrs. Happy Homemaker, Facebook, Mrs. Happy Homemaker, YouTube, Mrs. Happy Homemaker, Twitter, That Housewife, because Mrs. Happy Homemaker was too long. I hope y'all have a blessed day and keep checking back because I've always got great recipes to share. Bye, y'all.